first, and then you'll pull that fabric forward, cross it in the front, and tie it in the back. Number 3 is a dramatic halter style, so you'll take the 2, cross it in the front, wrap it around your neck, tie a big bow at the back, and then just leave that fabric hanging, and it gives you a dramatic halter look. Number 4 is a short sleeve style. Take the 2 fabric, cross it in the front, and make a bow in the back, and then open up the fabric to make short sleeves. This is a little bit more of a conservative option, and take the extra sash and make a belt around your waist. And finally, it's just the strapless dress. Take the fabric, cross it in the front, and then make a bow in the back, and then take the extra sash and make a little scarf. This will keep your neck nice and warm for an evening. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.